Y'all ever lay in bed at night thinking of fits while you're falling asleep? Oh, it's just me. First off, I got these jeans from Levi's. Now we have the 45 MJ. What you think, MJ? So far, so good, my man. In my mind last night, this flannel took it over the top. Or it could end up ruining the whole thing, in which, if that's the case, you won't be watching this video. Alright, I'm kind of feeling it. Stick with me, stick with me. Really give off the Mr. T vibe. What do y'all think? Carmine 6s? Lost and Found 1s? How we feeling? I think the ones got it, y'all. Looking sharp, young man. I think it worked out pretty well. Let me know how I did in the comments. Peace.